Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring. It's a certified Honda. It's got 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black pearl in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock, unlock button, and the chrome insert right there on the door handle. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. It's got your power rear sliding doors. It does have your rear park assist, rear backup camera, and rear power hatch here. Alright, make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in really good shape. Alright, got your lock, unlock button here on the passenger side door. The only thing I see is a scratch going down the side of the car right there, and I'll try to pick that up. I'll rotate the camera a little bit just so you can see that scratch, but it goes a little ways down the door, about that far there. Not major, still got a little paint in it, but it's really minor, but still there, so I want to bring that to your attention. It does have the blind spot monitoring camera there as well. Alright, it looks like another small, really small scratch here and here. It's already been painted over, so it's hardly noticeable, but it's very minor stuff there. It's got the front park assist as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray and black door panels, memory driver seat, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have your power rear sliding doors, power lift gate. Alright, it's got your lane departure watch there. It's got your blind spot monitoring button there. Alright, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats, power driver seat, and it is the truffle leather. It's kind of like a brown color. Alright, but the leather's in good shape. Keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good as well. No problems there. I'll pan out a little bit, give you a shot of the sunroof there. Alright, your display screen will be there with the navigation, push button start, heated seats, dual climate controls, backup camera and blind spot monitoring display will be there. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 36,389 miles. Go ahead and give you a shot of the navigation. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and your blind spot monitoring button. Alright, and that is just what it says. It displays your blind spot. You can either engage by pressing the button, or if you're making a lane change and use the turn signal, it'll also come on. Alright, and then you got your display right here for the dual climate controls. Got your heated seats also. And then this is the screen for your AM, FM. Okay, we'll go ahead and lighten that up a little bit. But you get a display screen right there. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and step out and take a look at the back seat. And we'll go ahead and engage these power sliding rear doors. Alright, the second row does have the thick rubber floor mat back here as well. Okay, and you got the two captain's chairs for the second row. And both seats, the leather's in great shape. It is equipped with a DVD. Okay, let me go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. I'll go ahead and take a look at the third row. Alright, it hardly looks like it's even been sat in. Alright, the leather back there is in fantastic shape. Alright, simply pull the handle, the door will go close on its own. Rear hatch, simply press the button there and slowly see it come up there nice and smooth. Alright, plenty of storage back here, plenty of room. These third row seats do fold forward. Okay, and then to engage the lift gate, simply press the button again. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Tires are still in great shape. Almost a brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread there. Alright, just to recap, it's a certified 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring. Alright, it's a Touring. 36,000 miles on it. It's got all the bells and whistles you want. Well taken care of on the outside. Got a scratch here or there. Okay, very minor stuff. Inside's well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. and thanks for watching the video.